Hello guys, I'm Krishna and today I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapter so V code and we'll take a look at a basic Python topic today. It's very simple one and very basic one. So I'll just kick off with the question because it's very simple and easy to read. Alright, so what I'm doing, I'm just creating a variable called first and assigning a value, let's say 2, and I'm creating another one and assigning its value 3. And what I'm trying to do is I'll just create another variable called third, and value of third will be the multiplication, the product of first and second. So let's do it. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll just print out these first, third, second, these things. So what will happen? Like we assign the value of first, which is 2, the value of second is 3, so value of third will be 2 cross 3, which will be 6. So our output should be 2 3 6. Let's try to run it. You can look over here, it is 2 3 and 6. So what I'm planning to do is I'll change the value of these variables. So what I'm going to do, I'll change the value of first, and let's say the value of first will be first plus second plus third. And what I'm planning to do is I'll change the value of third now. And now what I'll do, I'll just print out these values again. So take your time, just try to figure out what should be the output. Comment your answer in the comment section and we'll take a look at it. And I request you to post your comment with the timestamp, so it makes us easy. It makes it easy for us to track you down. Okay, so let's take a look at the output. It's coming out to be 11 3 and 33. Why? Because the value of first is 2 3 and the value of third is 6, as we saw over here. So it won't change. What will happen now is we are updating the value of first. The value of first will be 2 plus 3 plus 6, which will be 11. So that's why we can see over here the value 11 is being printed. Now the value of second, we are not changing the value of second anywhere, so therefore the value of second won't change. You may see it was 3 and now also it is 3. And later we updated the value of third. The value of third will be second, which is 3, and into first, the value of first is updated to 11. So that's why it is coming out to be 33. I hope it is clear to you guys. It was very simple topic, and if you still have any doubt, you can just rewind the video, ask us in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, see you guys in our next video. Thank you.